Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Go On Buddy. In today's video, I am going to recite you a story of where and how we found the hidden gem in the mid of dense jungle. With this story, we will learn some useful vocabularies with their meaning, picture, and how to use them in the sentences. I am going to share a trick with you as well, which help you to memorize these vocabularies easily and for a long time. As you can see, there are 6 letters in the word nature, and with each letter we will learn a new word like N for negate, A for aroma, T for talismanic, U for umpteen, R for radiant, E for ecstasy. So without any further delay, let's see the use of these vocabularies and get the most out from this story. Our first word is negate, which means to deny the truth, in Hindi nakarna. Let's see the use of this word in the sentence. My friends and I were exploring Uttarakhand's large mountain, dense forest and holy rivers. We were in the middle of the forest when we came across a large field that was covered with lush green and stones. After seeing that scenic beauty in the mid of that dense jungle, we could not negate that God is the master of creativity. The second word is aroma, which means a pleasant smell. In Hindi, sugandh. The aroma of trees, fresh air, and soil erased our tiredness, tension, and all the worries. The positive vibes were blowing mind. The next word is talismanic, which means jadui, and umpteen, which means countless, a lot, many. In Hindi, anek. The place was talismanic as we all fell in deep love with it in no time. There were umpteen large stones that was covering half the area of the ground. Climbing upon them and seeing the view from top was awesome. The breezing air didn't lose its chance to keep us cold in dense slabs. Next word is radiant, which means showing great happiness and joy. In Hindi, ullaspoon. Time flies. In no time, sun began to hide behind those large and green mountains. The sunset was radiant, which left a great impact and calm in our lives. So our last word is ecstasy, which means a feeling or state of great happiness. In Hindi, Paramanand. The beautiful sunset, lush greenery, and breezy air had made our day. At the end of the day, we all were in ecstasy. After the sunset, we had only memories of that gorgeous place. With those sacred memories, we ended up our journey and came back to our home. Here we have all the words which we learned throughout the story. I would request you that pause the video and revise all the words one more time. Congratulations! We have learned most important vocabularies with the help of trick and story. If you like the video, so please comment, share and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy.